Here's how LineageOS, GrapheneOS, and CalyxOS compare on device compatibility so you find out which privacy ROM your phone can actually run before you waste time downloading the wrong one. Device support is the first filter. It eliminates options before features even enter the picture. GrapheneOS. This supports only Google Pixel phones starting from Pixel 6 and newer. If your phone is not a Pixel from that generation or later, GrapheneOS is not an option for you. This is a hard limit, not a suggestion. The reason is verified boot support. Pixel hardware at that level meets the security requirements GrapheneOS is built around, and most other phones do not. CalyxOS also focuses primarily on Google Pixel phones with limited support for a small number of Motorola devices. Its supported device list is broader than GrapheneOS, but it's still far narrower than LineageOS. CalyxOS ships with microG pre-installed, which keeps most apps running without a direct Google connection and includes the F-Droid open source app store alongside Aurora Store for accessing Play Store apps without a Google account. LineageOS covers the widest range of devices by far. Older Samsung flagships, OnePlus phones, Xiaomi devices, Fairphones, and dozens of other models appear on its official supported list. If your phone is more than 2 years old or is not a Pixel, LineageOS is almost certainly your only option among these three. Here's how to check. So first, you're going to go to the official wiki for each ROM and search your exact phone model and variant, which should look like this. So this is how you're going to find the list. So device support varies by region and model number. The same phone sold in different countries sometimes has different results. Flashing an ROM onto a unsupported variant is one of the most common ways installations go wrong. On features, GrapheneOS leads on security depth. CalyxOS leads on out-of-the-box usability for non-technical users. Meanwhile, LineageOS device leads on device coverage. So the first thing to do is to check your device first, and that single step determines everything else.